Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Alberto V. Bugayong Jr. Now I discuss the refrigeration system. This is my drawing cycle of refrigeration system. The main four components of refrigeration system. Number one is the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. The compressor. The compressor is the main the main heart of the refrigeration system, responsible for circulating the refrigerant and increasing the pressure. And the compressor compress the refrigerant gas, raising its pressure and temperature. Number two is the condenser. The condenser is the heat exchanger that reject heat from the high pressure refrigerant vapor, causing it to condense into high pressure liquid. Number three is the expansion valve. Expansion valve. The expansion valve regulates the flow of high pressure liquid refrigerant into the evaporator, causing a pressure drop and reducing the refrigerant temperature. The the common types of expansion valve is the thermostatic expansion valve. Is the control refrigerant flow based on the evaporator superheat. And the last is the evaporator. The evaporator, the low pressure, low temperature enters the evaporator where it absorbs heat from the space to be cooled and vaporized into a low pressure vapor. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and